We will guide you through how to add a custom thumbnail to a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top right of YouTube and go and click on your profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. Now to go and add custom thumbnails, your channel need to have the feature enabled. To go and check this or to go and do it, all you need to do is click on setting in the bottom left and then click on channels. In your settings, click on feature eligibility and then you can go and make sure intermediate features are enabled. To do that, you will need to go and verify your phone number and have standard features enabled, and then you can add custom thumbnails. So come to content and you can find the video you want to do this. I will do it to this video here. Then all you need to do is scroll down to thumbnails and click on upload thumbnail, and you can then find the thumbnail you want to upload. After it's finished, you can then click save, and that's it. You have now added it. If you found this guide helpful, then please leave a like. Thanks for watching.